Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you where to block on TikTok. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, it's very easy and simple on how to block someone. You just have to simply look for that person's profile or name. Let's just say you're scrolling here on your home feed and you have decided that you want to block someone. So what you're going to do is you have to click that person's name or user's name. It will take you directly to his or her profile. And then here, the TikTok user's profile, you have to click this arrow or share icon and then click this block option, and that's it. You have blocked someone or you have blocked this TikTok user. Also, you can go to the search icon if you want to block a specific TikTok user. You just have to search that person's name or TikTok user or username. And again, it will take you directly to their profile and it's the same thing. You just have to simply click at this share icon or arrow, and you will see the option block below. And all you have to do is to simply click the block option in order for you to block someone here on TikTok. So basically, that's how to block on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.